Hello everyone, today we will discuss about this marketing project, and you can see that this project is little deeper and larger, right? So there was a data set which was given to you regarding customer profiles, product preferences, campaign success failures, channel performance, right? And you might be seeing the data has two tabs also. One is for store data and one is for different region wise analysis. So what I did is I break the data, the problem statement into three parts. The first two part that I am sharing today. The next third part, once I complete all the dashboards, then I will share it with you all. Okay. So the first part, what I did is I read the data, which you see over here. This is the first part. I read the store data, right? Converted the customer into a proper date time format, right? Removed the $sign from the income because otherwise it will be treated as a string. So that's why I have removed and converted into a float. Region also I have converted mostly to east west properly in uppercase, right? Now after that, if there is any white space in the column names only, I have removed those white spaces. So that's why I did a strip. After that, I read the client data, which is the socialmedia.co.xls, this particular file, which is the north south sheet name. Previously the sheet name was east west, now it is north south. So there were two separate tabs. Why I have taken two separately? Because I need to combine those and make it into a single table, right? So first I read the east west, second I did the north south, right? Same process applied. Once all are cleaned, what I did, I concatenated that row wise, so it will be getting appended row wise. So your data will be only have one column, only will be one table with north, south and east, west together. Okay, and you can see out over here. So east, west, north, south, all will be coming in over here. So this is the final regions unique. So simple way, two separate tabs I have taken, cleaned properly and then combined it row wise so that it becomes a single table. Next is the stores data that I have taken it over here. And in the stores data, you will have one thing common, which is basically what? The store code, right? On the basis of store code, you can do a left and a right, you can do a join and you can create the entire table. This will be little huge. Now when you put those tables, because there will be multiple, there are 2-3 stores which are getting repeated. So that's why it becomes a cross product, right? So it will be little larger in size, right? Once you do that, you can see those unique store codes are here, right? Based on that, you can I need the problem statement comes where we need to forecast, right? So there is a particular area where you need to forecast, right? Now to forecast, what I need the date, I need the store code as well as the income. So I need to forecast the income. Based on that, I have extracted and kept the data for forecast, right? In the second part, I read the forecasted data which has came, right? I cleaned it, I properly cleared it, and then I created a forecasting analysis, forecasting model. Here I have just forecasted for 15 days, but you can increase the forecasted for 60 days or 120 days or more than that. That means you have to predict, forecast it for 2 years. So 2 years will be around 240 records, right? You can do that. That will be properly helpful. So around that will get forecasted and you can see those forecasting over here. So if I need to run, but you can do that by yourself. So once the forecasting is ready, so we can use this forecasting data to plot also, that is possible, and create the analysis, right? So now the last part that we have to do is clustering, and this we can show that in Tableau only, right? Because in Tableau we have cluster analysis that we can show, right? Each property, and inference as well as store wise, you can store that. So only the last part will be clustering, some statistical analysis to show patterns, that we can show it through Tableau only, right? So other than that, you can do forecasting. I have created only one model, but you can create multiple models out of this and can basically create the models properly, right? So this is the way the process will be. Now all this can be stored in MySQL, right? So here I have also given to store that in MySQL. So you can store that MySQL, you can connect to your MySQL with Python and extract that. That will be a practice for you to connecting through MySQL databases also. Okay. That's all. We will come back to the part 3 once I develop all the 5 dashboards.